So let's get started. You'll notice this chart is in tablature. Each line represents a string of the banjo. The bottom line is the fifth string. The top line is the first string. That's the one furthest away from you in the normal playing position. The letters on the line tell you which finger of the picking hand to use. Your chord hand won't be needed just yet. There are 6 bluegrass rolls on this chart. They're usually given names that describe their pattern. Here's the first roll, the forward-backward roll. Can you see the pattern? We're picking up the strings, then back down again. Thumb picks the middle string, index the second, middle the first, then thumb comes back to the dinky string, the fifth string, and then we're going to go backwards. Middle finger picks the first string, index the second string, thumb the third string, and finish with the middle finger on the first string. Forward, backward. And to speed, this forward-backward roll would sound like this. The forward roll. We're starting in exactly the same way. Thumb, index and middle. Third string, second string, first string. Thumb comes back to the dinky string again. This time the index finger is going to pick up on that middle string. Middle finger again on the top string. Thumb on the dinky string. Middle finger on the first string. Forward, bit of a forward roll. Index finger takes over the middle string. Middle finger, thumb, middle. Forward. And to speed. Roll number 3, the open forward roll. Thumb begins on the middle string, followed by middle finger on the first string, thumb on the fifth, take over from on the middle string with the index finger, first string with the middle finger, thumb on the fifth string, index on the third string. Thumb, middle, thumb, then index, middle, thumb, index, middle, thumb, middle, thumb, index, middle, thumb, index, middle. And to speed. Roll number 4. The open forward-backward roll. It begins in the same way, thumb and middle, third string, first string, thumb on the fifth string, index on the third string, middle finger on the first string. This time we're coming backwards to the index finger on the third string, thumb on the bass string this time, the fourth string, and middle finger on the first string. Thumb, middle, thumb, index, middle, coming backwards, thumb, middle, thumb, middle, thumb, index, middle, index, thumb, middle. Third, first, fifth, third, first, third, fourth, first. and to speed. Roll number 5, the mixed roll. It begins a little like a forward roll, but there's actually 2 small sequences here. We have thumb index, thumb middle, then thumb index, thumb middle again. But notice in those 2 little sequences, the thumb seems to be alternating between the 3rd string and the 4th string. Thumb strikes middle string, the 3rd string, index the 2nd, thumb on the 5th string, middle finger strikes the 1st string. We repeat that sequence, but this time the thumb begins on the 4th string. This is sometimes called the thumb in, thumb out roll. Thumb, index, thumb, middle, bass string, and to speed. Roll number 6, the Foggy Mountain Breakdown roll. This is unusual in that it begins with an index finger. Index strikes the 2nd string, middle strikes the 1st string, and then the thumb comes up and steals the 2nd string away from that index finger. Thumb, middle, and then a little forward roll, and finish with the thumb. Index, middle, thumb, middle, thumb, index, middle, thumb, and to speed. The forward-backward roll. The forward roll. The open forward roll. The open forward backward roll. The mixed roll. The Foggy Mountain Breakdown roll. It's important to work very slowly through these rolls at first. We're forming new physical habits. The mechanics of how to play these rolls need to become automatic. Earl Scruggs, who developed these rolls, once said that they should be practiced 1,000 times each, and that's a lot of habit.